Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve a stoichiometry problem involving crystallization process calculation. We will work through a KCl crystallization problem step by step. Here is our problem. We have 4000 kg of KCl present in a saturated solution at 80 degrees Celsius. The solution is cooled at 20 degrees Celsius in an open tank. The solubility are given as 55 parts KCl per 100 parts water at 80 degrees and 35 part KCl per 100 parts water at 20 degrees. We need to calculate three things. First, the weight of the crystal obtained assuming 3% of solution weight is lost by evaporation. Second, the yield of crystal if we neglect evaporation loss. Third, note that KCl crystal without any water of crystallization. The molecular weight of KCl is given as 74.5. Let me show you the process flow diagram. We have a crystallizer operating at 80 degrees Celsius. The feed stream F contains our initial solution with 4000 kg of KCl. From the crystallizer, we get two output streams. One is crystal C, which is solid KCl, and mother liquid M, which is the final solution at 20 degrees. There is also evaporation E, where water vapor leaves the system. Here variables are F equals feed solution, M final mother liquor mass, and E water evaporated, and C equals crystal formed. Now solution method. Here step number 1 is converting the solubility data to mass fraction. At 80 degrees, 55 parts KCl per 100 parts water. That means the total is 115 parts. So the mass fraction XF equals 55 divided by 155, which equals 0.355. Next, at 20 degree, 35 part KCl per 100 parts water. The total is 35 plus 100, so 135. So the mass fraction Xm equals 35 divided by 135, that is 0.259. Here Xf is mass fraction of KCl in feed solution and Xm mass fraction of KCl in final mother liquor. Now step 2, calculation the total feed solution mass. So here we know we have 4000 kg of KCl in the saturated solution at 80 degrees. Since the mass fraction of KCl in the feed is 0.355, so F times that 0.355 equals 4000. From here we can easily calculate what will be the feed amount. Feed amount will be 4000 by 0.355, so that is 11,268 kg. Now water in feed solution, water in feed is nothing but F minus KCl mass. So water in feed, that is we know that feed is 11,268 and KCl mass is 4000, that is 7,268 kg of water in feed. Step 3, material balance equation. So here the overall material balance, that is F is equal to M plus E plus C, means input is equal to output. Input, even if you see here in that the diagram, input is F, output is evaporation crystal and mother liquid. So here the overall material balance is F is equal to M plus E plus C. Now KCl balance. So KCl balance we can do the again KCl balance. So F times Xf is equal to M times Xm plus C times 1.0. So here why that C into 1, because in the crystal only KCl is there. Given information, evaporation E equals 3% of F. So E is equal to 0.03 into F. That means 0.03 into 11 into 268, that is 338 kg. From equation 1, 11,268 is equal to M plus 338 plus C. So therefore M is equal to 11,268 minus 338 minus C. So that is 10,930 minus C. Now substituting in KCl balance from the equation 2. So 11,268 into 0.355 is equal to 10,930 minus C into 0.259 plus C into 1. So from here we can easily get C is nothing but 1578 kg, means crystal is 1578 kg. Now final mother liquor, so that we will get M is equal to 10,930 minus C. From that, here we can easily calculate M is nothing but 9,352 kg. Now verification. So here check KCl balance. KCl in mother liquor, that is M into XM. XM we know that is 0.259. So 9352 into 0.259. So that is give 2422 kg. Means KCl in mother liquor is 2422 kg. So total KCl 2422 plus 1578, that is 4000 kg. Means it is matching the original KCl. Now part B solution. In part B, where we neglect the evaporation loss, so E equals 0. The material balance become F equals M plus C. So 11,268 equals M plus C. So M is equal to 11,268 minus C. So as KCl balance with no evaporation, so we plug this M. So 4,000 is equal to 268 minus C into 0.259 plus C. So from here if I do the calculation, so C will be 1460 kg, means crystal is 1460 kg. So here no evaporation. So final result, part A crystal with evaporation, that is 1578 kg. Part B without evaporation, we get 1460 kg of crystal. Additional system data, the feed solution mass is 11,268 kilograms. Water evaporated was 338 kilograms, and the final mother liquor mass was 9,352 kilograms. This complete this is our complete crystallization solution. The key step are converting solubility data to mass fraction, setting up material balance, and solving the system of equation to find crystal yield under different condition. That's it. Thank you.